Hey guys, Mitch from Redwater Dodge here. This is a question we get a lot. Is the Ram 1500 Express actually still a good buy for work fleets? Because it's kind of taken over the spot for the classic used to live in. Simple, good looking, and priced where companies can still buy multiples without going broke. And that's the key. The Express is built off the new generation Ram 1500, not the old classic platform. So you're getting the new frame, more tech safety, better ride, and a new engine options, which is a huge upgrade from the older truck. Now, compared to the Classic was cheaper and more basic. Regular cab, option, older interior, proven Hemi, and a Pentastar with less electronics. The new Express is more modern, more efficient, and way nicer for crews that actually live in the truck all day. So the next question fleet guys ask is it cheaper to maintain long term? The Classic used to win that because it was simpler, but the Express is still a gas half ton with mass production parts, long service intervals, and full factory support. So, real world operating costs are still very competitive for a work fleet. And parts availability, that's not even a concern. This is the new generation Ram. Parts, service, upfit, support, that's what it's built for, which is actually one of the biggest advantages for fleets. You're not running a discontinued platform, you're running the truck Ram is actively supporting for commercial customers. So the real question becomes, do you want the old school basic truck or the newer truck that your crews are more comfortable in, with better tech and long-term factory backing? Because of a lot of fleets right now, the Express is the new budget work truck. If you have any questions, give us a call at 780-942-3629 and we'll do our best to help you out.